So I need to cut this thick 3/4 inch aluminum plate. I want to use my bandsaw. It's an old Craftsman 12-inch bandsaw. So I bought a metal cutting blade, started cutting away, except I didn't get anywhere. It would not cut. The aluminum would get hot. I'd get a cut maybe 2 millimeters long after 15 minutes of pushing. Not working. So I pulled out this 4-tooth per inch fast wood cutting blade. Look at the teeth in this thing. This is not a new blade. This blade is very, very used. It's pretty much junk, so why not? And to my surprise, it chopped right through it in seconds. I'll show you.